Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the incredible power of food to enhance our lives. I'm Kobby Lee, and today, we have an exciting topic that will ignite happiness from within. Foods that ignite happiness. Happiness is a beautiful journey, and while food alone cannot guarantee happiness, there are certain foods that possess mood-boosting properties, contributing to our overall well-being and joy. In these few minutes, we'll explore 10 delightful foods that have the potential to ignite happiness in our lives. Are you ready and excited? If you're as excited as we are about the power of food, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an episode of our food-centric journey towards better health. Then, let's dive right in. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains compounds that can enhance mood and increase the production of endorphins, the feel-good hormones. It also contains small amounts of caffeine and theobromine, which can provide a subtle energy boost. Berries. Berries are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. The vibrant colors and sweet flavors of berries can also bring joy and satisfaction when consumed. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and can have a positive impact on mood and mental well-being. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and tryptophan. These nutrients can support brain health and promote the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables, including spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support brain health. They also contain folate, a nutrient that plays a role in the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and contains probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. The gut-brain connection suggests that a healthy gut can positively influence mood and overall well-being. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice provide a steady release of energy and can help stabilize blood sugar levels. This helps prevent mood swings and supports a balanced mood throughout the day. Legumes. Legumes such as chickpeas, lentils, and black beans are rich in folate, fiber, and protein. They help regulate blood sugar levels and provide a steady source of energy, promoting a sense of well-being. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been linked to reduced symptoms of depression and enhanced overall mood. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which may contribute to its potential mood-boosting effects. Probiotic-rich foods. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi contain beneficial bacteria that can support gut health. Emerging research suggests that a healthy gut microbiome may positively influence mental health and mood. While these foods can provide potential benefits for mood and overall well-being, it's important to maintain a balanced and varied diet. Remember that individual experiences with food and mood can vary, and it's essential to prioritize overall lifestyle factors such as sleep, physical activity, and social connections for lasting happiness. And that concludes our exhilarating journey through foods that ignite happiness. We hope you found inspiration to incorporate these joyous ingredients into your daily life and experience the happiness they bring. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delightful content on the intersection of food and happiness. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful adventure. May your plates be filled with happiness, and may your hearts be brimming with joy. Take care, and here's to a truly happy and fulfilling life.